In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we just can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. So, whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.